kids! Welcome to FunTale Kids! Today we'll
count your veggies, 1, 2, 3. Healthy food for you and me. FunTale Kids sings along. Let's repeat our veggie song. Counting 6 to 10. 6 broccoli florets standing tall. Green umbrellas, one and all. 7 beans dancing in a row. Wiggle, giggle, go, go, go. 8 sweet corns, yellow and bright, shining like the sun's warm light. 9 cabbages, round and tight, rolling here with all their might. 10 eggplants, purple and sweet, line them up, tap your feet. Count your veggies, 1, 2, 3. Healthy food for you and me. FunTale Kids